When your partner starts acting cold and distant, it's important to confront the issue and attempt to re-establish intimacy. We'll discuss major things to avoid and proven steps to take during this challenging time. What should you definitely avoid? 1. Escalating the situation. For example, jumping to conclusions that your relationship is doomed. Instead, remain calm and approach the situation with an open mind. 2. Copying your partner's cold behavior. If they're being distant, don't mimic their actions. Instead, maintain a warm and welcoming demeanor. 3. Making assumptions or decisions on your partner's behalf. Don't assume they're upset because of something specific you did or didn't do. Ask them directly about their feelings. 4. Resorting to cheating as a way to teach your partner a lesson. This will only cause more harm and damage the trust in your relationship. 5. Involving third parties. Don't discuss your relationship problems with friends or family before talking to your partner. This can lead to further misunderstandings. 6. Arguments, blaming, and harsh words. Avoid starting fights or placing blame on your partner. This will only push them further away. Try to take these steps. 1. Maintain a balance of warmth, care, and attention. Show your partner you love them through small acts of kindness, like leaving them a sweet note or preparing their favorite meal. 2. Break the monotony by organizing enjoyable activities and surprises together. Plan a weekend getaway, a movie night, or a romantic dinner to reignite the spark in your relationship. 3. Assess your behavior and take responsibility for your mistakes. Apologize if you've hurt your partner and commit to making positive changes. 4. Be friendly, open, and sincere with your partner. Share your feelings and let them know you're there for them. 5. Don't rush decisions. Gather all the facts before making any. Take time to understand your partner's perspective and feelings. 6. Engage in honest and friendly communication. For example, ask your partner how they're feeling and if there's anything you can do to help. You may restore intimacy with that special someone and get through the difficulties that come with phases of distance and detachment simply by taking the following tips into account. That's it from us for this video. Have a great relationships.